What the hell happened to it?
Piece of shit.
I want to hear it. Try to crank it.
Oh my god.
Geez, sounds like you're driving a tractor in 1920.
What?
Sounds like a fucking tractor.
Piece of shit. Fucking Ford, found on the road fucking dead. God damn. Fucking Ford. First old race day, fuck that shit. This motherfucker's dead. What do you think you're doing? New memory.
All right, relax.
Damn heart attack.
Oh, what the hell? What is that thing?
Oh damn. Man, Jesus.
Okay. Dad! What the hell are you looking for?
I need you. I'm looking for a goddamn wrench. I gotta get that goddamn. You motherfucker!
Are you throwing up?
You motherfucker! You get the fuck out away from me!
Wait for me.
Fucking hate you.